I'm here in the suburban area that sits alongside the Field of Mars Reserve. I'm also standing within the Buffalo Creek catchment area. All the water that falls as rain here will run downhill across the urban landscape directly into Buffalo Creek. As the water travels, it collects litter, soil, oil and grease. This is known as stormwater. Down here on Buffalo Creek, I'm making observations about the water quality. It appears that the water is really cloudy and there's lots of litter. So we're going to do some tests to test the water quality here.
Water quality determines how healthy the waterways are, its ability to sustain life. Once we have safely collected the water, we are going to conduct 3 tests. The first test is to test the turbidity of the water to see how cloudy it is. If it's too cloudy, water plants can't get sunlight for photosynthesis, and aquatic animals find themselves swimming through silt and gunk. We slowly pour water into the turbidity tube until we can no longer see the pattern at the base of the tube. The higher the water gets in the tube, the clearer the water is. Our results showed a slightly cloudy reading, which is poor turbidity. The second test we will conduct is for phosphates, which are chemical pollutants that come from different products we use, such as detergents when we wash our cars, or fertilisers that we use on our gardens. After filling a test tube with a small amount of water, we will put in a special tablet designed to test phosphates into the water and give it a good shake until it dissolves. The final test is for dissolved oxygen. This is the measure of how much oxygen is dissolved in the water. It's the amount of oxygen available to living aquatic organisms. We will then leave the phosphate and oxygen tests to dissolve for 5 minutes to see if there's a colour change. Unfortunately, we got an average result for phosphate and an average result for oxygen as well. And we always make sure we safely dispose of our waste. Another test that's good to conduct is how much visual pollution you can observe in the creek.